Let's talk about the Cloud E2 earpads that are cooling gel and nice and comfortable. So these are my HyperX Cloud headphones, and I've had them for 5+ years. Having them for 5 years, what happens? Well, they start wearing down. These are the actual headphone cushions that were on it just until yesterday. And here's the other one. This one's probably even worse. So what happens is this stuff starts flaking after years of use. And I didn't know that they pop off so easily and you can just replace them. I'm going to show you a video here on how you go through and just pop them off and put them back on. It was very simple to do. It just takes a little finesse. It's not that it's hard, it just you got to pull around a bit just to make sure it all gets on, and then once it's on, you're good to go. I'll tell you what, this is a game changer because they're like brand new headphones. When I put it on, I can hear so much better. The volume doesn't have to be as loud because they're now encapsulated better. They're also cooler and it don't hurt my ears. Another big thing is I don't get those little black specks all over my shirt from listening to music or playing a game. It's huge. And I can't believe this solution was so affordable. Then I was ready to buy a brand new set of headphones, and the headphones had no issues except for that. So why do that? Let's go another 5 years with these. However, probably after 3 years, I'll probably get another pair if I see any wear on them. Definitely do recommend this. Can't say more about it. I mean, come on. I was about to buy a few $100 pair of headphones to replace these, and all I needed was this.